Welcome to my blog. I'm going to speak you through the technologies that I've used while creating my magazine. I'll start with Blogger, which is where I've posted all my progress and shown posts on what I've done and why I've done it. I'll show you an example. So this is what I'd do if I was analysing the front cover, and I choose anime because that suits my target audience with the indie genre. So what I do is I put an image on of the front cover. Which are all in here. In their own folder in there. So if I just choose this image, then I could just speak about it and analyse it in there. I also use Flickr, which is basically just where I uploaded all my pictures, so it was easier to see them. And I can put them into their own sets. So here I've got a photo shoot of pictures where I was trying to find an appropriate one for my double page spread. And with Flickr I could also upload my final magazine for the moderator to see for my evaluation question 3. That's been too slow. But I also use Prezi, which is an online presentation, and I did that to do target audience presentations, basically speak about target audiences for both the college magazine and for my music magazine. But it's not opening at the minute, so I'll have to just take you through one that I've already done. This is my target audience for my music magazine, so I'll just flick through this. So I've spoke about the age of my audience and why they are that age and why they wouldn't be any younger or older. Spoke about the gender as well, which I think will be mixed because it's just basically students. So I'm aiming at students, and they're not necessarily a specific gender. Spoke about the interest of people reading it because it's not going to be like most people, more likely to be creative, not like any other person. And then what profession they're going to be. So they're probably not going to have an ordinary job, and they're going to study creative subjects basically. And I'll show you iPhoto, which is basically what I used to show all my images after I took them on the SLR cameras. And it's where I would keep them, just so I found it easier when choosing which images I wanted to use for my magazine. I'll take you through Photoshop and what I usually do when editing a picture to put onto my magazine. So usually I'd start with the rubber and I'd just basically rub out the background that I don't want, and then I'd do that until I was close to the model and it looked neat enough. I didn't really use any of the Magic Wand tools because I didn't think you got a neat finish on it, and I found it easy just to rub out the whole image, because eventually I'd just zoom in, like zoom in close up, and then basically just cut it out all the way across, because you can zoom in and get like that, where you can just tell. That's basically just how I got the neatest results when I was doing my pictures. A bit like that. Because you can see how close up to the pants it's gone. Could do a bit more there, obviously. Thanks for listening to my post.